Hey guys, Justin Johnson, MarineMax, St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I bring you a very special Boston Whaler 28 Dauntless. This one in particular is powered by our Mercury 300 V8 Verados. These are very quiet yet powerful at the same time. Plenty of power for this boat, very fuel efficient for those days you're running offshore with your family to go do some fishing. As we're in the transom still, this one is equipped with a 10-foot power pole blade. This makes life a lot easier when you're out at the sandbar with the family, or if you want to throw some lines out on the flat. This will stop the boat instead of putting the windlass down, so much easier. As we work our way through the cockpit, we have a massive rear seat here. This is very comfortable for two people. It does have a very high backrest, so it's very comfortable when you're on those long days on the water. Underneath this seat, we do have a ton of storage with access to your battery charger. And if you note right here, this is our ladder that's going to equip on our swim platform, which we're going to go to next. So one of Whaler's best things they do on this boat is the swim platform. This makes things very nice for the kids to run and jump off the boat. It keeps them away from the engine, so they're much safer. And also, it's just a lot easier to board the boat from here as well. Especially, let's say you want to go dive for the day and you have dive tanks on, very heavy. This helps a ton. 2 live wells equipped on this one. The live well back here is standard. This will be on every single 28 Dauntless. And the one that we have behind the helm seat here is an optional feature. Very nice to have on the boat with tackle trays over here on the starboard side. At the helm of this boat, very well integrated, very clean, very simple. Whaler does a fantastic job here. Everything is at arm's reach for the captain. He's not reaching all over the place for absolutely anything. Great SIMRAD display for your fish finder, maps, etc. And of course the joystick to make life on the water a lot easier. Storage ahead. Working our way to the bow. This boat is massive. I mean, you feel like you're on a 33-foot boat once you get up to the bow here. We have seating at the forward lounger for 2, with cup holders and armrests for each. We have 2 additional loungers up at the bow. Tons of storage throughout this boat. Take a quick peek in here at our storage locker. Tons of storage. We do have fish boxes on port and starboard side underneath these loungers. And to end it off, we have a beach boarding ladder for when you pull up to the sandbar to make things a lot easier, and a windlass anchor. This boat has absolutely everything. If you want to go fish for the day, this is the boat. If you want to take the family on the water and just cruise, this is the boat. This boat will do it all. Again, if you want to come see it, it's a 28 Boston Whaler Dauntless. My name's Justin Johnson from MarineMax in St. Pete. We will see you on the water.